Alright, so now I'm going to try to take this microwave out. I don't know what I'm doing either. Imagine that. So, I'm going to take this microwave out. There's a screw there, there's a screw there. I know those are two main points. So I'm going to look everywhere else to see where else it could be screwed in, but I'm thinking that's pretty much the good points that it's at. I need to make sure I have control of it, otherwise I'm going to break this. So hopefully I don't break it. I survived the tile. So now I'm going to try to survive the microwave. Alright. Oh! Shit. Okay. This is connected somewhere else. Okay. What else are you connected? It's connected to brackets. So I need to take it and lift it up. All right, microwave's out. That almost ended badly. So, the main areas here was going through by these big long bolts. That's how it was held in, and then by this right here. So now to get to this tile, I need to take these out. I'm gonna unscrew this by hand because if I do too fast, this metal bracket could come down and break my glass stove top. I don't want that. So this is the bracket that goes into the wall, and it goes in there to hold the microwave up. Already had some tile pretty loose from when I pounded on the tile earlier. Alright, so now I'm going to get the tarp, I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to break the rest of this tile off. This is going to come out, this cabinet, this whole thing is going to be gone. We're going to be putting the hood that goes through here. It's going to be hanging here and go, so this will be a different backsplash. So that's basically the demolition that I'm going to do. And then everything else I'm going to hire somebody to finish, because I don't know what I'm doing. You saw I almost dropped the goddamn, excuse me, the gosh darn microwave. That could have been really bad. If you're not 220 pounds like my fat butt, get some help before you do that. I was able to hold it up one hand and then pull it. I lucked out. I almost really screwed up. So, alright, microwave's out. So next time I get anything else done, I will record another one. Scott Happen.